Hey guys, welcome back to Green with Andy. Sam, where are we?
We're in Saugus, Massachusetts.
Yeah.
Saugus Iron Works.
Yeah, I never think I'd get you here, but it happened.
We finally made it happen.
I haven't been here since AC and I came here in November a few years ago.
As always, folks, gonna get our obligatory stamp. Show that we were here.
Or he is. I forgot my book.
We'll figure it out. Just stamp your face.
No. Okay, so we were just finishing touring the museum. I don't like filming in museums though, so, you know.
And look left and a portal just opens up. Like
Diorama of the iron forging site, which is down there.
it's almost like the place is an iron works.
It is.
Yeah.
Or it was.
Yeah, I don't think they actually make metal here anymore. It's not made metal, melt metal.
That shit fucking scares me.
Yeah, well.
Don't go any static pools of water.
Exactly. So, yep. Here, one of these is the place where, like, what's the big thing where you like squeeze up and down and it blows smoke?
Bellows.
Bellows, thank you.
This place?
Apparently.
The guy at the front desk was me on the first. Now this is cool.
This is the bellows, or the bellows. Yeah, well, I thought it was a good idea at the time.
I want to be a blacksmith. Oh, charcoal. Cool. Look at the size of these tongs. I'm going to extract a tooth.
I just don't understand how they would keep this hot after they open the side like this.
I mean, sometimes they wasn't too difficult.
There's the water wheel.
That or they literally have it flowing from uphill.
Yeah, okay. That's impossible, right?
To come from up a hill to down a hill?
No, from down to pump. No, it's impossible for water to flow uphill, right?
Right. I didn't know they had steel ladders back in the island.
Yeah, that's some period pieces, right?
Oh wait, we didn't go that way.
There's nothing down there.
Yeah, there is.
Hey, how did you cut the hole in there?
No, because then we wouldn't have any. Oh yeah, billow.
It's a big ass billow.
Yeah. Oh god, what am I gonna do with you guys?
Look at the size of these hammerheads.
What?
Massive. Gorgeous.
Now, does anybody know how steel is made?
Iron,
Yes.
Iron and
oxygen.
carbon.
Depends.
Steel is an alloy made of iron and carbon.
And
elements.
anything else that you want to throw in there
Yeah,
besides
well,
that.
we're just talking about regular old steel.
Favorite part, I can't believe you missed this.
Blacksmith shop. Oh well. See what we got. Ah, cool.
So cool.
So anyway, that's about it for Saugus Iron Works. So Sam and I are here in Dungeon Rock, across the street from the Iron Works in Lynn. We're trying to figure out where Lai is.
There you go.
Well, guys, we found a door.
I don't see it.